What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rashawn, and I'm back on that grind. Today, I'm gonna be cutting up through traffic. Give y'all some little pulls, basically a little POV drive. Just stay consistent. But right now, we at the car wash. Feel me? See my stars? I know. I say that every video, but I got stars, so I don't care. But we at this little touchless car wash. Nothing too shabby. My car was filthy, so I had to get y'all right. But I'm gonna probably start it later when I get like towards the city, because right now it'll just be the same thing y'all always see, and I don't want that. I would do a little highway POV a little bit, but nah, I be chilling on the freeway, so we gonna wait till I get to the city. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. Alright, we just now exiting the freeway. It was a 50-minute drive. We 13 minutes away. So I said I'm gonna pick y'all up when we off the E-way. We off the E-way now. So yeah, it's about that time. What the okay, see, as soon as I pick up the camera, niggas get stupid. I can still hear the music. It be heavy cops around here, so gotta be real discreet. I ain't trying to deal with no fucking cop issues today, bro. You talking about that dead nigga hanging from his car? Who you think you are? Pussy. Anyway, I need my tripod on, so give me a second. Okay, that's way more comfortable to drive like this. Way more comfy. But yeah, like I was saying though, it be hella cops in this area, so we not gonna do too much, because your boy in a effed up predicament right now. We don't want cops. What's the speed limit? 30. I ain't doing 30. And they be in them undercover cars. Like, it'll be a regular Malibu, and yeah, that bitch will be like weed real quick. You won't even know that it's a little pool. I can't wait till I get my exhaust done, bro. Nigga barbecuing. I know that shit for that. I don't smell it. That nigga barbecuing. Oh, it's probably the same person. The grill just over there. Y'all go hit up Barbecue Mike. They got the best barbecue in town. I never had it. But I do a little launch, I think. I don't know yet. It's kind of, I don't know. Might do a little launch. Might not do a little launch. I really don't know. Gotta look around. Where we at? Davison? This not Davison. Is this Davison? I don't know. I don't be on the west for real, bro. Not a west side baby. Oh, it was Davison. See? I know my streets, nigga. Trying not to do too much talking and let y'all just enjoy the vibes, but I gotta talk. My car not loud enough to just do a all exhaust video. Fuck a Mustang. Fuck Ford. It's like tight over here. And I'm trying to break my neck for cops all the whole time I'm driving and shit. Ooh, pothole. That's one thing about the city. Potholes are not your friend. I got 6 minutes. Gotta make this 6 minutes count. And then you got dumb dickheads like this. Oh, like what is you doing? This is why you don't drive in the city, okay? Cause niggas like that, like what are you doing, bro? Like what's this? Shit. We go V6. We go second gen with them new tail lights. With the that bitch got the white off the. Y'all can't see it. That bitch hard. That's all y'all need to know. That bitch was hard. No cops. No cops. I'll break your neck. Nigga on a bike. And there's fucking roads. So I had that before. Wait. No, I'm thinking about something totally different. That was a furniture store. I'm talking about I had a furniture store. We on the lodge with it. Y'all remember y'all shut down the lodge? Y'all so ghetto. There's a lot of barbecue out here, bro. Y'all go have Uptown Barbecue. It's the best barbecue in the city. I ain't never had it. But it looked like it's good. Y'all hear my brakes, bro? I'm out here giving niggas free promo all day. I can't be doing that. Can't be giving niggas free promo. Why did Dodge make that? That's so ugly. My stomach hurt. I should have took a shit before I left the house, but I didn't. And now I got a shit. And I'm gonna be in here all day having a shit. And I'm gonna be here for like a few hours. And I'm gonna be having a poop. Editor, cut that out. I'm the editor, by the way. Let's see. Let's get active. Who trying to get active with me? I'm just playing. Ain't nobody getting active out here. Ain't no fast news out here. Ain't nothing fast out here. Y'all lucky I'm not illegal. I would have took the right, but I'm not illegal. Everything y'all see in this video is fake. This is all AI covered. This is Forza gameplay and whatever else you want to think. It's not real. So with that being said, we just gonna go right here. We just gonna, because this is all Forza gameplay and it's all fake. So, any feds that's looking, it's fake. They about to ball up, ain't they? When the light turn green, I'm gonna go. I don't care who say right here. I'm running through them. I'm lying. Like, bro, this should be illegal. Never gonna get to where I'm going. Ooh, they mad. He gonna walk. It just looked like a GTA server. Everything effed up. It wanna keep raining and then not rain. It rained and then it was sunny and then it rained again and then it was sunny again. It's just like, bro, it can't. Hey. This was my stop. I was here for like 2 hours waiting for them to open once. Stupid grocery store. Alright, y'all, I'm down there at my destination, so I'll fuck with y'all on the grapevine.